Hi guys, so today we have the Lego City Animal Rescue ATV. So its number is 60300 and it has 72 pieces. So it has this ATV, of course, one minifigure, scorpion, two of these new monkeys, small tree, and a drone. And this ATV also has this turning action, which I think is quite cool. And here is the back of the box. I actually really like this print piece, the drone's remote control, that's cool. And I like these new monkeys very much. So yeah, let's open it. So here it is open. We have two bags. And of course the instructions. Here are some adverts for this Lego app. And at the back, of course, we can see the pieces the set contains, the finished set, and some adverts for the other Lego City Wildlife Animal Rescue sets, and an advert for winning. So yeah, I think let's build it. So the set is finished. I built it. So it has three small spare pieces. It has the scorpion. I already have one of these in another set. The two monkeys, and one has a banana, which you can just like clip in his hand like a minifigure. Then here we have the minifigure. So it has one face and this cool torso with the rescue logo at the back. That's cool. And I don't have this color of helmet, so I think it's a quite cool color for this helmet piece. Then we have this small little tree, and here on this branch the monkeys like can hang with their tails, or they can also hang on the leaves. Let's take out the banana, and like they can hang. And then of course we have the ATV. So this is of course a print piece, and the drone's remote is a print piece as well. Then we have this stick which the rescue guy can just pick the scorpion. And then we have the drone, so we can spin its propellers. It has two lights or cameras, or I don't know what they want to be, but quite good little drone. Then of course we have the ATV, where you can put the Lego figure, so we can drive it. And actually, if you get off the drone, then you can just put another minifigure over there as well. So the ATV has this Lego City turning action. I don't know if I've showed in my previous videos the other two Lego City sets with the turning action, but I have both of them, so now I have all the three Lego City sets which have this turning action. So yeah, if you tilt the vehicle, then the wheels just move, and it can turn wherever you want. So yeah, not bad. I like this turning action thing. So yeah, all in all, I think this set worth it. Price, it comes with some good stuff, like it has the turning action, the monkeys, a drone, ATV, also has a scorpion, banana. So yeah, I think it is a quite cool little set, and I think it worth it price. So if you like these ATVs or the new animal rescue sets, then I would recommend you this 60300 animal rescue ATV set. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my future videos. So goodbye.